If you're looking to hire a child abuse lawyer, you need to make sure you can trust them first. Here are some of the most important questions to ask before hiring. Special training. The first question to ask a child abuse lawyer is, do you have any special training to help with my case? Hire a lawyer who has undergone an approved training course on child abuse and neglect cases. The training helps them acquire relevant tools and skills to help victims of abuse and neglect. Ask the lawyer to give you a certificate from professional institutions like the National Association of Counsel for Children. The certificate will prove that the attorney is committed to representing victims of child abuse. A child sexual abuse lawyer with specialized training can apply their academic knowledge to real-life scenarios. Throughout their training, they work on more demanding child abuse cases. They also interact with victims and get firsthand experience on how to help them get compensated. Each state bar association offers training programs in different law fields. Confirm with your state bar association the type of specialized training provided to child abuse attorneys. Check whether the prospective legal expert received this kind of training. Communication. The next question to ask would be the following. How are your communication skills? A good lawyer can communicate well with other opposing lawyers and the judge or jury. Find out whether they can communicate effectively with you. Ask them to explain the options available to the victim of abuse with their pros and cons. Ask whether they will be notifying you about the developments of the case. The Denver child abuse lawyer should communicate in an understandable and organized manner. They should also know when to use all modes of communication. Experience. Another question that will help you with the hiring process is this. What's your experience with child abuse cases? The attorney should give a glimpse of their success stories in child abuse and neglect cases. Confirm whether the cases are familiar to yours. Find out whether they can negotiate for the best compensation. You should also ask whether they can get your loved one the proper support and care for the trauma. Learn more about the depth of their practice and the types of child abuse cases they handle. Some lawyers handle child abuse cases in a limited scope. Their practice may not allow them to take your case. The child abuse lawyer should be willing to give references you can consult, but beware of biased references who may make the legal counsel appear credible. Double check the references with other sources before making the hiring decision. Local laws and courts. Are you knowledgeable about local laws and courts? Is a question worth asking. Ask the prospective attorney whether they have interacted with the local courts. Ask them for a list of courtrooms they attended in your area of residence. You should also find out whether they are good at creating a rapport with other lawyers and judges. Find out more about their unique talents when it comes to representing children. Tell them to describe the personalities of the local judges and opposing lawyers. You should also inquire whether they can use these personalities to get the court to agree with them. Availability. Finally, how available are you should make it to your list of hiring questions. Most competent child abuse lawyers have hectic schedules, so it may be difficult for them to find time to handle your case. Ask the attorney whether they will be available when you need them. Find out how often you'll be meeting to discuss the case in detail. Inform them about your schedule and agree on a convenient meetup date. Count on Patent Law for legal help on criminal defense, family law, and child protection. Our work is to make the justice process less overwhelming to you and your loved one. Book a child abuse case evaluation with us today. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.